Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Again, hope you guys had a fantastic day of trading. And again, want to thank you guys for all of your support on the channel. Immensely appreciate it. Today, just want to do a quick video updating you guys on a swing trade I recently completed with Portola Pharmaceuticals. You can see the stock on screen here. Ticker symbol is PTLA, Portola Pharmaceuticals. As you guys remember, I've talked extensively about this stock in the past. A lot of day trading, swing trading, a lot of action with this stock. I did get out of that for quite some time because of the implications for long-term capital gains. But I was going through my spreadsheet where I have all my stocks listed. And when I list my stocks, I also put on the buy date, which a traditional brokerage account does. This particular broker does not do that. And going through all of the buy dates, it looks like my anticipated exit point is going to be early 2018. It looks like I'm not going to be able to qualify for long-term gains on any of my buys. And because of that, I thought I would go ahead and start day and swing trading the stock again. As you guys remember from my prior videos, if you hold a stock for 1 year or greater between the buy point and the sell point, at tax time, you can save quite a bit of money, up to 20% depending on your tax bracket, because of long-term capital gains tax rates are much lower than what you would typically make on your ordinary income, which would be applied to short-term capital gains rates. So you can make quite a bit of money back at tax time through basically tax savings. So you're not actually making extra money. You simply don't have to pay the federal government more money, state and federal government more money for your dividends. You simply have to do it one time at the end of the year, but you pay less. So you actually are making a rate of return because of that. And I've talked extensively about that in prior videos. So since I'm not able to qualify for long-term capital gains, I thought I would start day and swing trading the stock again. You can see on the bottom here I had a couple entry points. I believe I had one market buy and then one limit buy. You can see that market buy here, 47.89, 50 shares, 23.94.37. And just to remind you guys again, limit buys are the way to go, especially if you're looking for a particular price point. That other one there, pretty comfortable jumping in the stock where it was, but I would always advocate jumping in with a limit buy, no matter if it's a very high price stock or a penny stock. Limit buys are always the way to go. So the second order here was a limit buy, 25 shares, 47.46 equity value, 11.8646. Then I went ahead and sold off those 75 shares at 50.50. You can see the equity value on the bottom there, 37.8750. So this translates into $206 to $207 swing trades. I'm very happy about that. There's been a lot of movement in the stock. You can see these up and down patterns are very, very conducive to day and swing trading. There's very good points to get into the stock. You can put your limit buys in, and then when it rallies, you can go ahead and sell off on these rally points here. It has been coming down quite considerably over the past few months here. You can see down 30% or so, at least 20% or so. Has been coming up here a bit. But again, there's representing very good exit points, entry point, exit point, entry point. It looks like we're coming on another exit point. That's why I went ahead and sold off. And over the last 1 year here, you can see I'm still up quite a bit on the stock. You can see this very nice one-day gain here, jumping from 40 to 50 and then trailing up to almost $66 or so. Jumped out of the stock here. Then I was holding, hoping for a little bit better rebound, but unfortunately that did not happen. There should be a big decision coming up in early 2018 regarding this company and a few drugs it has for FDA approval. If they pass approval, the drugs, the company stock should go up, I believe, to about $90 or $100, and it also is going to be a prime target for an acquisition. But again, I can't predict all of that action. That's what I currently think is going to happen with the stock, but a lot of risk in that play. You can't always prognosticate the future. I believe that's going to happen. That's why I'm keeping money in the stock, but it's not a surefire decision by the FDA. So if it does not approve, or if those drugs do not get approved through the FDA process, this could drop, even below this $40 line here where it was hanging out for quite some time. And again, just want to remind you guys, I'm not a stock market professional. This is simply an individual investor managing their portfolio. That's what I'm doing. Definitely don't condone following my lead on any of these trades. They're quite risky. Simply an individual investor in what I'm doing with my portfolio. I'm always interested to see what you guys are doing as well. And really the point of these videos is to kind of solicit some advice, have a little bit of fun trading, and just share with you guys exactly what I'm doing with the portfolio. So that is the limit sell today. Swing trade, $207 or so. Very happy to get out of the stock. And again, if this does come back to 47, 48, I'll probably put more money in and do another swing trade with the stock here. So just wanted to update you guys on another trade. Let me know if you guys are doing anything with Portola Pharmaceuticals. Very interested to hear if you guys are holding this longer term like I am, you're doing some day and swing trading, or you simply think the risk is too high and you're avoiding the stock altogether. Either way, let me know. And not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, we'll see you then.